Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture in a table in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we insert a picture in this document. At first we create a table. Go to the insert menu and click the table option. Now I create a table in this page. Then we change the table width and height. Then we click the table cells and go to the insert menu. Then click picture option. Then choose picture on our desktop. Then click insert. Now we can see we inserted a picture in this table cells. Now we resize this picture in table size. Now we can see we inserted a picture in this table very easily. We try some another cells. Go to the insert menu and click picture. Then again insert another picture in this table cell. Then resize this picture. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.